Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about Mercari, which is an app you can download on Google Play Store or Apple Store, and you can also create an account online. And they teach you that you can sell any of your products or products online. Let's say like you want sold your old laptop, Acer, and you just give a description about the product, how much you're gonna price it at, and depend on the year that you bought it. You don't need to specify the year. You can just say you technology this pretty much go down over time, so just sell it. Okay, if it's $1,000 laptop, right? And it's already been maybe 5 years. You can knock it down 40%. It's about sell $600 and give some specifications on it so people know like what kind of software has motherboards, stuff like that, basic techie stuff. Or you can sell clothes or something. And you gotta give us some pictures because so people know. And what's the condition? Has it been used? Has it been not? Is it brand new? If it's brand new, you can sell a little bit higher. If it's not brand new, you have to discount it down. If you bought for $20 and it's been light used, you can sell maybe 12 to $15. Okay, what it does is the company you can buy and sell stuff. You when you sell a lot of stuff, you can make a little bit extra income but prepare for emergencies. You need to pay a small commission for sales. For every sale, that you pay about like 3 to 4%. And most people will be paid by credit card. Mostly it'll all be about credit card so far, as I know after viewing so many ads. Okay, the company offer free printing shipping label. If you're the seller, right? You want to sell to somebody. They give you the shipping label. You just print it out, get a box, ship it to the person, and then you collect your money. Okay, let's see what else they have. You can also they have lots of brands online like Adidas, Air Jordan, Forever 21, Pandora, and so forth. They have daily deals. Okay, let's see what else they have. Do they have an affiliate program? So far, no affiliate program. You just download the app. You can also create an account online. Okay, read their term and condition policies because some products they may are not allowed to sell because based on violations. Okay, let's see. Activate promotion. No selling drugs, stolen goods, counterfeit, no weapons, alcohol, tobacco, and so forth. Lie animals. Okay, let's see what else they have. Okay, the listing fee is about 10%. So after the sale is fee. Okay. I'll provide some detail about the website. Alright. If you want to hit the tell me more, you'll figure out how they do the process. And they have a promotion. When you list your first item, you'll get $5. Okay, next thing, let's see. Say easy sell. First, take a picture, how much you want to sell it for. If someone buys it, okay. Pretty much, you list on their, put on their website. It's 100% free. They don't charge you anything for. They only charge you just for sales. Okay? You sell almost anything. Like if you want to sell your iPhone 11 Black, and they took a picture, give a description. Yeah, usually it sells for like a few $100s, but if it's been used about a year or two, people make it go down. And then based on the condition, Then they just sell it because they don't want it no more, so they want to sell it. And the first thing when you want to sell, take a few pictures, front, back, side, side. Okay, our description was a brand and search similar prices to find a average market, like how much people sell certain items. Like let's say, okay, I sell LG TV 32-inch, high definition. Okay, regular retail, let's say $300. It's been used about like a year or two. You can drop it down, $200. In still good condition, it has the HDMI cable and all the basic components it has with it. Okay, you don't need to meet up with the person because they deem is like very unsafe. So you just do everything through online. Just get a box, shipping labels give for you for free, and any Mercari prepaid labels, they have insurance up to $200 if it's lost or damaged. So let's say you lost the product. Not you lost the product. Let's say you shipped the product, it got stolen by somebody, and the customer complained about the product that they never arrived, and you only have one product. All you do is first you refund their money for the inconvenience, and then contact Macari, and you sold the product, let's say for $50. So Macari will pay you $50 for your loss for the products that you want to sell to somebody. They only cover up to $200. So depend how many products you ship. If you ship like one product like every day, you get up to $200, depending on how much the price costs. If you sell like multiple products, the most is maximum. If you lost like how many products you lost and they add up all up, if it's like over 200, they're only gonna give you $200. That's the most. That's their limit. And you also can get see for like reviews from sellers, see if it's good or not, and if people are like honest based on the products and services they're selling. And it's been featured on CNBC, Teen Vogue. It's a good side income. It'll help it'll help you pay for unexpected expenses and stuff like that. If you need requests from law enforcement, they have a link for that. About government agency, provide the information. The company's in California. You can write to them by mail or email. And they charge a processing fee if you have like some kind of lawsuit or something. They'll charge you by the per hour fee. Let's see how they contact. Contact is mostly through email, looks like. And you answer questions. See what they have. Fire claim, they receive an empty package. Alright. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll provide links and some description down below in the video. It's 100% legit because I've seen ads on it and I read a lot of research and reviews and there's nothing wrong with it. 100%. Alright, hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.